What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Peas, man. Today we're gonna be doing a overdue oil change on my 2014 C63 AMG 507 edition. The tools you need to be doing this, as you can see, this big ass 32 millimeter socket, 8 millimeter socket. It's Mobil 1, European car formula. A lot of debate on which oil to use. And the system, it's recommended 540 and 040. I also got my filter from the same place. I got this from Advanced Auto. Prongs at the bottom. It also comes with a gasket or O-ring or whatever. Oil catcher right here, which this is rated at 16 quarts. And also a little floor mat, cardboard, whatever, to pick up any oil that drops. Literally where the oil pan is at, and the screw is on the right side that we're facing. So the car is leaning more on the right side. As you can see, I got my jack stand tilting the car over. Alright, so I took off this plate right here, which all the screws are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 on the actual piece, and then you got two that was connected on this plate right here. It's like right here. So now you can see the oil pan, which is pretty cool right now. But the oil pan is right here, and it's already marked, so all you gotta do is unscrew this, drain it out, and pretty good. Oh yeah, heads up, for the actual oil pan screw, it's a 13. I forgot to mention that, but yeah, you'll need a 13 as well. What you wanna do is release pressure, so it makes it easier to drain. So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna pop this sucker in, and then, I mean, honestly, at this point, you could take the whole thing off. But we're gonna do that. Get this out. Do that. All right, so now we're at the bottom. You're gonna get your 13 millimeter. You want to kind of slowly take it out. You can take it out. Damn. Actual oil doesn't look bad at all, actually. It's probably going to drip for a while at this angle. I'll probably jack up the car so it could flow down this way. We're back, like 25-30 minutes, and this is leaking from the side, but I made a mistake and I dropped my damn O-ring in the oil fan, so I could tighten it on my right hand. But we're just gonna place that back on. We're just gonna plug it back in. Like that. Just make sure you don't cross thread. Back up. I'll get a rag and just gonna wipe this up. Clean this up. Investigation right now. Yeah. Pretty good. The pan, or this undercarriage or whatever piece. Then once I do that, I'm gonna jack the car down, then top it off. So, all right. So I got the car jacked down. I'm not gonna lie, the undercarriage cover or whatever you want to call it is a pain in the ass. gasket or this O-ring, you get some old oil, but it goes on just like that. Just make sure it's all even. But what you want to do is you want to get the filter and you want to push it against the cap and twist it, or push it all the way down until it locks. You just screw it all the way down like that. Down. And as you can see, it's labeled, so you feel like it's full. And you want to make sure that these cars are lubricated with oil, because that is the biggest concern with these motors. So as you can see, I'm using a funnel that's filtering right in there. All right, so I damn near put almost 10 quarts. Cap back on.